So right now we'll be talking about the basics of MyMap. Let's get started by clicking on the top left here in the red button, create a new map. And after that you will see many states, of course, and just where you live. Right here is the untitled map. This is where you can name your map, and you can easily just double tap it and name it whatever you like. And you can even add a description and whatever you like. And it'll be fine. Awesome. Alright, so all this we'll be getting to in another tutorial video. Right here is the layer, there's the share, the preview, and this is just random things that you should not be worrying about right now. First of all, I would like to tell you guys how to pinpoint a spot for your map. Let's say we live in Norfolk, and if you would like to go over here in the Westview Village, and if you wanted to pinpoint that for your map just for your own use, you can go to add marker, and after adding a marker you can right click and you can just click on that with the left click, and then you can name your point whatever you'd like. Say Westview down here. Cool. And let's just talk about pinpointing. After you pinpoint a spot, you can now exit out of it, and now it's going to be forever there. There's two ways of pinpointing. You can do the add marker, or you can also search an address. Right now we'll do the school. And if you go to the school's address, it will take you right to the school, and make sure to click on add to map, and now it's going to be in your map forever. So getting to the pinpointing, let's just keep this theme going with schools. Let's say I want to go to Plaza Middle School, and after hitting Plaza Middle School it will take me there. Make sure to click add map again, and you can always edit and do different icons, colors, pictures, and descriptions. Right here is the style. That's where you can change color. Oops, sorry. And this is where you edit. This is where you can edit the title or the description. This is where you can add pictures, and this is just the directions to there, and this is how you can delete the pinpoint. For the style, you can choose many different colors. So if you were to choose yellow, it would go right there, and now the pinpoint would be yellow, and if you can zoom out, you would see it as a yellow, and the other one would be blue. The Ocean Lakes would be blue, and now Plaza Middle School would be yellow. You can also change the icons. Right now you can go to click more icons, and you can see a plethora of icons, and you can even search school, and now there's like little icons for school. That's cool. And then for the edit, you can edit that, edit description. This is where I went to middle school, and then you can click save, and now it's going to be there. And my favorite part is add image, and you can always upload an image from your computer. If you select a file from a computer, you can just go to pictures and go to camera roll if you had any pictures, and your web camera, I'm not going to turn that on. For image URL, you can actually go to a place online, type of puppies, and then if you go to a random photo you like, you can go there, and then you can copy image address, and then you could easily just go paste it, and then now you can keep it there. Cool. So you can save it, and if you want to add another one, you can also do the image URL or your photos. That's my profile picture, or you can go on Google Drive and look at pictures of yourself, or Doofenshmirtz. And then you could also go to more, which is you can easily just Google image search, but that will have to be a school appropriate since you're in your school account, of course. Puppies again, and then you can just choose any puppy, and then that's how you do that. And if you wanted to go to directions here, you can easily just go there, and it will give you this. If you can type an address where you are, let's say we're in Ocean Lakes High School, you go there, and it'll easily tell you the directions to there. And if you always wanted to take it out, you can just click on it, delete it, and now it's gone. Yeah, so that is the basics for my maps. Thank you for watching, and just to let you know, after knowing these basics, you will actually be able to learn really quickly what to do with My Maps if you just went by yourself. Thank you very much.